Now I'm going to discuss with you powers and jurisdiction of courts. Dear students, the judicial review is the basic, essential feature and the signature tune of our Constitution. Administrative acts are subject to judicial control. Legislative power to make law is confined within the limit prescribed by the Constitution. Dear students, no law can be made which is in conflict with any constitutional provision or which may violate, take away, or even abridge the fundamental rights that have been granted by the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. Dear students, if the legislature or executive authorities trespass in the sphere of fundamental rights or transgress beyond the limits prescribed by the Constitution, any law made or action taken can be struck down as usurpation and unconstitutional exercise of powers. Dear students, High Court under Article 199 and Supreme Court under Article 184 have vast powers to entertain and adjudicate constitutional petitions. Such jurisdiction of the Supreme Court is known as constitutional jurisdiction. Dear students, in ancient English judicial system, this system was known as writ jurisdiction, which empowered the Court of King's Bench to issue writs in the name of the sovereign. Dear students, express provisions for judicial review, unlike in USA, where the Supreme Court has assumed extensive powers of judicial review under the cover of wide interpretation of due process clause in the 5th and 4th Amendment in the US Constitution. In Pakistan, my dear students, the situation is like this. Pakistan has hierarchical judicial system in which Supreme Court of Pakistan is the apex court. It is the final interpreter of law and the ultimate court of appeal in all civil, criminal, and constitutional matters. It is also the protector of fundamental right of people of Pakistan. Dear students, judicial review is not only the integral part of the Constitution of Pakistan, but is also the basic structure of the Constitution, which cannot at all be abolished. My dear students, in any democratic society, judicial review is the soul of the system, because without it, democracy and the rule of law cannot at all be maintained.